The undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 100 clustered precincts for the candidates therein for members ng Guniang Bayan in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached here to it, forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precinct garnered by each candidate. V2 Cap Jojo 23,906. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected member ng Guniang Bayan of Floridablanca, Pampanga. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in Floridablanca, Pampanga, May 12, 2025.
Tanggalan